In a media briefing today, the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas A Sangma, oversaw an inspection and chaired a review meeting on the progress of the new Assembly building at Mawdiangdiang, Shillong. Deputy Speaker Timothy D Shira, along with Commissioner and Secretary Dr. Andrew Simons and officials from various departments attended. The Speaker reaffirmed commitment to completing the project promptly, setting a deadline for construction by July or August 2024, aiming to host the next year's autumn session in the new facility. He engaged different departments including the PHE for water supply, social forestry for landscaping, arts and culture for traditional aesthetics, and IT department for seamless operations. Addressing concerns about the dome structure, the Speaker reported progress, stating that prefabricated steel structures are expected to arrive this month and January 2024, with installation scheduled from February to April, vetted by the IIT Guwahati and IIT Roorkee. The second phase of the project has received assurance for sanctioning from the Ministry of the Development of Northeast Region, with the detailed project report currently in preparation and optimism expressed for approval within the current budget year.
It's very simple. I want to put all the painting footage of all speakers, chief ministers. Here in the thing also, we have space.
Today we had another round of review meeting, the inspection of this site at Mawdiangdiang, the assembly building construction which is going on. The last time inspection was done in 14th November last month, and now we are doing it today again. So you can understand the urgency of this, why we are doing frequent inspections and review meetings, because we want this to be completed at the earliest possible. And one more thing is, we had called different departments today. We had called the PHE department, which will take care of the water supply to this complex. We had called also the social forestry department, which will take care of the greenery and the landscaping of the premises, and also other departments like art and culture, which will look into the aspect of putting traditional color to the assembly, and many other departments like IT departments, NIC. So we have taken various opinions from various departments. So the work is in good progress. We don't want to let the work go slow. So we are parallelly trying to come out with other works which is required to, upon completion, side by side, alongside the furnishings, the interiors, everything will happen, so that we have put the deadline to complete this by July or August. We are targeting to start the next assembly here of the autumn session. It may be very tight, frankly speaking, honestly speaking. It may be slightly tight, but we will try our best to ensure that the work is completed by at least July, if not July, by August. Yes, the debris has been cleared. They have now started doing the structural layout, and the work has begun, so that it is going to be, I think, the main dome structure, the entire area will be on prefabricated steel. So we were told upon our review meeting, we were told that all these prefab structures, steel structures, will be arriving by December and January. So the installation or the fitting of these prefabricated steel structures would begin by February and it will be completed by April.